Welcome. In this tutorial, we learn how to write a JSON object to a file using Node.js. This is a common task in server-side development for saving configurations, logs, or user data. We'll be using the fs module and JSON.stringify to handle the output. Let's break down step by step and see it in action. The objective is to serialize a JavaScript object and persist it in a file. We'll use JSON.stringify to convert the object into a string, and fs.writeFile or fs.writeFileSync to write that string into a file. This method is especially useful for logging and storing structured data. This code imports Node's built-in file system module. The JSON2File function takes two arguments, an object and a file name. It converts the object into a JSON string with indentation and writes it to a file with the JSON extension using fs.writeFile. The function ensures your object is safely written to a file. We use JSON.stringify with spacing for human readability. The result is a nicely formatted JSON file stored locally. This is perfect for creating configs, storing API responses, or user sessions. Here are some example inputs and what they produce as JSON files. As you can see, the file names are built by appending JSON to the string. You can inspect the files afterward and find valid, clean JSON structures. This lets other systems and developers easily consume the data. From logging system events to saving app configurations, JSON file output is essential in many real-world workflows. Whether you're caching user preferences or archiving data, this technique is simple, powerful, and widely supported. To recap, this approach lets you persist JSON data in seconds using Node.js. It is perfect for creating readable data files or even temporary saves. Make sure you handle file paths properly in production environments. Thanks for tuning in, and happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.